This is a video introduction to the EMC partner IMU MG series of transient impulse generators. Why do we need the IMU MGE series generators? The EMC environment is a complex situation. Disturbance sources such as lightning, electrostatic discharge, harmonics and flicker, and the EMC concept is that all electronic equipment will work together within this environment.
IMU MGS we see on the left hand side. S stands for standard requirements. This is used for testing IEC compliance and CE mark. EFD burst and combination wave surge up to 5 kW. On the right hand side we see the two IMU MGE versions. E stands for extended version. In addition to standard version, ring wave and telecom surge are available. IMU MGE is available as 6 kW system for ANSI and ITU requirements, and as an 8 kW test system for special requirements and overtesting. To address other test requirements, the IMU generators can be extended with a wide range of accessories. 3-phase CDNs from 32 amps to 200 amps, 690 volt AC and 1500 volt DC. 3-phase dips and interruption with power source from 32 amps to 75 amps. Extension to ESD generator up to 16 kV air and 8 kV contact discharge. 3 coil types are available for AC and impulse magnetic field testing that completely fulfill the IEC basic standard requirements.
Entering parameters by selecting the correct tile. We can use the rotary knob as a mouse to move through the different parameter settings, like so. To change a parameter, we can use the keyboard. The graphic help indicates the function, and when we change a function, we see that indicated on the screen. We have also a pop-up help in text form with additional information. It's also possible to set the coupling level. So we see on the graphic display the coupling path selection. When we change, it changes as a help. When the test is completed, the test reports are automatically saved inside the generator. They are accessed through the configuration menu. Here we see test reports saved on the generator, together with a review of the contents. So here we see the first one, combination wave. The second one is an EFT test. We can view each individual test report directly on the screen. It can also be extracted through the USB ports. So test setups saved inside the generator are accessed through the options menu, setup. Here we can see saved on my generator, we have a combination wave test, which we can load directly into the generator and start. We also have the possibility with the internal library to access directly basic and generic tests from the standard and load those into the generator without pre-programming. Sequences can be assembled using setups already saved inside the generator. the setup linker has to be enabled, and then setups can be added from the internal memory. Here we already have one combination wave setup. We can add existing setups, for example, from the internal library, basic standards, EFT, and then we have an EFT test in our sequence. We can add further. For example, surge test. We build our sequence so. Tests can be moved in the sequence simply by dragging and dropping.
Up to 10 basic standards can be addressed with only one generator. Let's talk about the software and hardware benefits of our IMU test systems. Here are a few benefits of the operating system. 8 languages available. Intuitive operation through graphical touchscreen with setup diagrams. Fast operator familiarization. Generator test report in multiple formats like CSV, PDF, HTML, and the data is accessible through the integrated web server or USB memory stick. Now let's switch to the hardware highlights. The measurement system includes automatic pass-fail detection using peak check function. The hardware is easily upgradable on site. Free software updates are available from the EMC partner website. EFT burst and surge pulse synchronization. Programmable function of BNC connectors. Operator safety enhanced by warning lamp and emergency stop.
Now let's take a look at the EMC Partner Tamer 3000 software, a professional software suite that enables remote control of all of our EMC partner generators. We can automate test routines and build complex sequences. We can also take report data from the DSO and measurement data. The predefined test library includes all basic standard requirements, but most importantly, the test report can be customized for individual requirements.